So today we are going to learn about the best indicator from Tradingview, which I have just discovered, and it's giving the insane result like this fall and this rises. So you just need to go to the indicator section, just type on fractals, just this fractals you are going to need, and just go to settings. It's 2 in default, just make it 4, and you can see some changes over the screen. You just see some green dots, some red dots. So just what you need to do now, just connect them parallelly, like these dots are like parallel, and just need a trend line to connect them. And when the line breaks down and closes below the level, you just need to sell over there. And just I am correcting you where you need to take the trades and where you don't too. So let's begin. So moving to the strategy part, you just need to select the 3-minute time frame. As you select the 3-minute time frame, you get more and more candlesticks and more opportunities in intraday. So what just you need to do and look for, you just get some red dots and green dots over the candlestick patterns and below the candlestick patterns. You just need to parallelly connect the levels, similar as upside also, and you just get a trend lines, or somewhere you just get this dots as a horizontal line. You just need to draw this, and when price just tries to break the line from downside to upside, just takes the trade here at the closing price. Just like example, I want to show you this like this. You just get this dots here and just connect this. You should see here it's breaking downside. You just need to take the trade here, and market will sustaining here, and you will see further it's going downside. Like previous few examples, I will show you exactly what happens as per this strategy. Just like this is the parallelly connecting, and as soon as it's broke upside, it went upside like this. And some previous time what happens in the market, you just see here what I have just taught you. You just connect these points, it makes a trend line, and as soon as it's broke downside, market came downside. Okay, so just need to focus on what I have taught you. Just trend lines you draw in the market, connecting the higher highs and higher lows of the candlestick patterns. You just get ready-made, already ready-made the pattern, this dots, and these dots will make you a already trend line, which will give you the insane result. Just like this, you just connect these points, and you just get a breakout here, and you see the insane results. You just need to confirm it more with price. You just connect these lines, it made a trend line, the price confirmed by closing below the level, just buy here, and it came downside. I mean the sell here, and it came downside, and again moves, it again makes some dots, green dots, you makes a level, and it's broke out upside, and it goes upside. When it breaks downside, it will go downside. So that's just showing you more examples. You will see this level, it's over here, and it broke downside, it came downside. And just in previous time what happened, you just need to look for, you get this one, you just look at this, you just need that perfect trend line. You just need that much accurate pattern exactly over here, and it came upside, and exactly whatever I taught you, follow dot to dot for this accurate result. You will make your trading journey skyrocket. I'll promise you I will come again with some great strategy. Till that time, subscribe the hit button. If you like the video, like that hit button, and I'll see you some other time in some other video. Bye.